Today, we are leveling up our snack game with Master Chief's MRE Nachos, an out-of-this-world treat inspired by the illustrious Halo universe. As we delve into this innovative dish, it is essential to understand that these nachos are not merely food, but a representation of culinary exploration within the gaming culture. To create these outstanding nachos, we must first gather our ingredients. High-quality tortilla chips, a blend of cheeses that melts well at high temperatures, fresh green jalapeños, and a side of vibrant plasma guacamole. Each component contributes significantly to the overall flavor profile, enhancing the dish's complexity and appeal. The preparation begins by layering the tortilla chips uniformly on a baking tray, ensuring even coverage. A generous sprinkle of cheese is then applied, followed by meticulously sliced jalapeños to introduce a heat element. Once assembled, bake this masterpiece until the cheese is perfectly bubbly. Meanwhile, craft the guacamole by mashing ripe avocados, combining them with zesty lime juice and seasoning to achieve an exceptional balance of taste. Upon completion, serve your nachos alongside the guacamole, creating not just food, but an immersive culinary experience echoing the Halo universe. Engage your senses and enjoy this extraordinary creation.